This is my unbiased opinion on Calyx Interiors 1-inch vinyl mini blinds. As everything, the instructions aren't super clear. I can say I'm going to show you the way I am going to actually install them. It is the second try because the first try I tried by the instructions as I interpreted them and it did not work. But I have figured it out now. The instructions weren't super clear. It's all about the orientation of this bracket. The orientation for an inside mount has to be this side up, and it doesn't ever really tell you that in the instructions. Mark your holes, drill a pilot hole, put your bracket up oriented the correct way. First bracket up, second bracket up, and then you just take your blinds up here. Put the leading edge in first. You put it in like that. So you put the leading edge in first so it matches up with the first one. And then you just, bring it around and you click it in. So when it's all in there on the front here, you shouldn't see anything like that. And then just pull your blinds down and voila. So it's a very nice set of blinds. The instructions were a little misleading, but all in all, a very nice set of blinds. 2 thumbs up and very nice.